Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to freeze columns in Excel. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. So as you can see right here, I have the student name, favorite fruit, and the fruit they have. So when I try to scroll down, the label that I used right here actually disappears. So if you want to freeze your columns, you can head over and click on the column number right here. So the column number for this label is 1. So head over and click on this, and as you can see, it will select the whole column. Now, once you have done that, next thing you need to do is to head over and click on View. Now, in here, click on this Freeze Panes, and click on this Freeze First column right here. You can also freeze your top row. So for this one, let's try to freeze our top row, and as you can see, the top row will now be freezed. However, if that's not what you don't like, or if you want to freeze your actual row right here or column, what you can do is you can select that column letter, which is B, then click on Freeze Panes, and then from in there, click on this Freeze column. And as you can see, it will freeze now whenever you actually freeze some things, or whenever you try to just scroll onto this, you should be able to see it freezed. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks!